Hello, Dan. Thank you for joining me. I've got a couple of questions for you. Happy to answer?
Yes.
Brilliant. So firstly, what advice would you give to someone who's maybe pursuing an apprenticeship?
Very good question. I
Thank you.
would give 2 points of advice. One, make sure you're applying.
Yeah.
Apply for lots of things. It can be a competitive market out there, so do apply for lots of different levels. And two, consider what you're aiming for. Think about, am I going for the final career goal? Am I building up to it? There's a lot of apprenticeships at lower levels that are a perfect stepping stone to getting that career goal.
Brilliant. That was done it. I've done this before. This is not my first rodeo answer. So, Dan, there's a number of myths around apprenticeships. Could you bust a few for us?
So one of the myths attached to apprenticeships is that you haven't got that higher end career pathway. There's still a lot of people that think it is all of your lower end jobs or your hands-on jobs, and you can't do those top end jobs that are out there. So that isn't true. There's over 700 different standards you can do. You've got some really high, well-paid, high qualified jobs out there that you can do through the apprenticeship route.
Brilliant, thank you. There's also the Ask program. How can teachers book in and find out more about this?
So I am an Ask ambassador, apprenticeship support and knowledge. It is part of a program that provides information, advice and guidance to anyone year 10 through year 13. If teachers are looking at booking, if they're in the West Midlands, the easiest thing is to come to us directly. Booking requests ask at workpays.co.uk.
Brilliant. Bookings requests ask at workpays.co.uk.
Yes.
Brilliant. Make sure you check it in. And then I guess my second last question would be, what does progression look like for an apprenticeship?
It depends on that individual. So if you've gone in at one of the lower levels, you can progress via another apprenticeship. You can get full-time work. So currently there's above a 90% retention rate. So
Wow.
you pass your apprenticeship, you are more than likely staying on to that company either as another apprentice, further training, or a full-time career.
Brilliant. That sounds 90% as well.
Yep.
It's incredible. And then finally, what are the benefits of an apprenticeship?
It's that combination. So you're getting that work experience, you're getting that wage, you're still getting those qualifications that you would be if you're going to college or university. So it's a nice combination, a nice balance of everything.
Yeah, brilliant. You've answered all my questions.
Thank you.
Some great stats in there. Thank you very much.
Thank you.